Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to get free spin for the emblem on Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to log in into your Mobile Legend account, and then you can choose the shop over here, and you can click the preparation over here. This time the emblem is the emblem support. So if you want to get the free spin, you can click over here, but this is only once you can get the free spin. So I will try to spin with the free for a second, and then here I got 42 emblem support fragment. So here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.